Are you wondering where to start when advertising your auto repair shop? Through omnichannel marketing, you can take your customers on an interactable journey using touchpoints that connect them with your shop. Here are 4 avenues to advertise your auto repair shop. Your website should be mobile ready, use specific keywords relevant to your business, and feature custom content. It is the anchor of your omnichannel marketing efforts. Be sure your website is functional and optimized for your target audience to start seeing organic growth. With PPC advertising, you pay when your customer clicks and gets led to your website, so create ads that drive more traffic to your website and grow your business. Facebook is local businesses' primary social media platform. Keep posts neutral, genuine, and engaging. Posting some is better than not at all, so stay current. Omnichannel marketing allows you to market your business through multi-channel and cross-channel marketing techniques. No matter what avenues you choose, be consistent in your message. If your customers can't find you, you aren't effectively advertising your auto repair shop. Want to learn more about our services? Please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.